क्या बात है, लेट हो रहे हैं बहुत सारे लोग। अच्छा, ये कनक गुर्जर कर चुकी है ना? कनक,
यस सर।
शिवान शर्मा, निशांत, धनंजय, मुस्कान भार्गव, देवांशी मिश्रा, शिवम पारिक ने कर दिया क्या?
शर्म से नो सर,
शिवम पारिक ने
नहीं किया सर।
संभव जैन का हो गया, दिशा का रह गया है, वेदांशी गुर्जर,
सर वैष्णवी गुर्जर का हो गया।
हाँ मैं इसमें लिखे, कनक का हो गया, शिवांश का हो गया, निशांत का हो गया, धनंजय का हो गया, मुस्कान का हो गया, देवांशी मिश्रा का हो गया, संभव जैन का हो गया, दिशा का भी चालू है, वर्षा भास्त्री का हो गया, वेदांशी शर्मा का हो गया, सुहानी पाल का हो गया, वेदांशी भार्गव का हो गया, पडवल का हो गया, शिवम पारिक का हो गया, वैष्णवी गुर्जर रह गई है। ठीक, पहले दिशा से शुरू करेंगे आज। लेट द अदर्स शुड कम। और बाकी ठीक है, ऑल इज वेल, सबने दीपावली अच्छे से मनाई?
सर सर
साई राम। Moments should be joined. लेकिन क्या बात है, बहुत सारे लोग अभी आए नहीं आज, जबकि बात ये थी 5 मिनट पहले आएंगे सारे लोग।
साईराम सर।
साईराम भौमिक।
साईराम सर।
साईराम हर्षित।
सर आप मेरा टॉपिक बता दीजिए।
टॉपिक है दिशा का एडवेंचर एक्टिविटीज एंड देयर सेफ्टी इक्विपमेंट्स।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
ठीक है।
साईराम सर।
साई राम, साई राम, साई राम, साई राम। दीपावली सबने अच्छे से मनाई? पटाखे फोड़े कि नहीं?
यस सर।
नहीं, मैंने तो फोड़े।
यस सर।
है ना?
यस सर।
यस सर।
गुड।
साईराम सर।
साई राम, साई राम शिवम। All right, we will not wait for the people. 3 Omkar. After that, we will start. Let others to join by the time. All right. Chaliye, close your eyes, join your hands, and 3 Omkar. Sai Ram. So today's first presenter is Disha Saraswat. After that, Vedanshi Gurjar is here. If she is here, please confirm. All right, she is not here. All right. Then I will call to Bhaumik Surbe. After Disha completes, Bhaumik Surve will speak on the bone and its classification. All right, Bhaumik?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you will get the enough time. So Disha, over to you.
Yes, sir. Sir, am I visible?
अभी तो नहीं, हाँ, लेकिन तेरा बस मोनोग्राम नजर आ रहा है, फेस नजर नहीं आ रहा मुझे।
Sir, now?
लाइट जला रखी है क्या कमरे की?
Sir, on है.
लेकिन हमको दिख नहीं रहे हो आप। चलो कोई बात नहीं, कंटिन्यू।
Okay, sir. Adventurous activities and their safety equipments. First, rock climbing. Rock climbing is an activity in which
थोड़ा साउंड तेज करो बेटा, माइक को पास में रखो अपने।
Okay, sir. Rock climbing. Rock climbing is an activity in which participants climb up or down, and the goal is to reach the top or the summit without falling. Their equipments are climbing shoes, climbing chalk, climbing rope, climbing helmet, safety belt, etc. Mountaining. Mountain climbing is an activity of climbing to the mountain and reaching to the top or the summit. Their safety equipments are harness, climbing shoes, climbing rope, safety belt, etc. Trekking. Trekking is a long adventurous journey undertaken on foot in areas where common means of transport are generally not allowed to go or are not available. Their safety equipments are safety kit, first aid kit, sleeping bag, tracking map of that area. River rafting. River rafting is also known as white water rafting. It is a challenging task. Raft, it is done on a raft or a boat. Raft is a lightweight, multi-layer rubbered boat filled with air. Safety equipments are knowledge of swimming, safety jacket or life jacket, swimsuit, or to follow the expert. Then surfing. It is a water sports in which the wave rider suffered as surfer rides on moving wave balancing on the surfing board. Equipments are good safety surfing board, swimming suit, life jacket, etc. Paragliding. Paragliding is a recreational, thrilling adventure sports of flying with paraglider. And paraglider is a lightweight, free-flying foot-launched glider aircraft with no rigid primary structures. Thank you, sir.
All right. So I am sending the link to all of you, right? So that you can assess Disha Saraswat in your chat box. And do it fast, including Disha. All have to fill this form, assessment form. Done? All right. So next speaker is Bhaumik Surbe, and after Bhaumik Surbe, Devans Rathi is going to speak over the skeletal system of the body. Right? After that, Devans Rathi. So Bhaumik Surbe, over to you.
Yes, sir. Om Shri Sai Ram. My topic is bone and its classification. There are 206 bones in human body. Bone is divided into three parts: head, shaft, and tail. Femur bone is the longest bone which is present in our thigh, and stapes are shortest bone which is present in our ear. Bone is also a heart connective tissue. It is also made up of matrix. Long bones are hollow and contains bone marrow. Bone and its classification. Long bone. Long bone. They are long and wide. They act as a lever. They also consist of bone marrow. They have long shaft and they are found in legs and arms. Short bones. They are short in size and cube shape found in wrist. Flat bones. Flat bones have broad surface. They mostly protect our organs and attach to muscles like sternum. Irregular bones. These are skulls and vertebral vertical bones. Sesamoid bones. These bones are embedded in tendons. Cartilaginous bones. Cartilaginous bones are flexible. It is also a hard elastic tissue because it due to chondrin protein and other inorganic salts. Sir,
Yes, बेटा.
over.
ओवर. देखो मैं तुम्हारे को वही सारे टॉपिक दे रहा हूँ जो तुम लोग पहले से किए हो.
Yes.
चलो जल्दी से भाई लिंक क्लिक करके भौमिक का कर दो.
Done, sir.
Very good. Be quick. And Divans Radi, get ready. Divans Radi,
Yes, sir.
are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All the best.
Yes, sir. The skeletal system consists of bones and joints which provide attachment to the movement of muscles and skeletal muscles. Proper functioning of skeletal system and muscular system improves the efficiency of body. Bones, skeletal systems. In skeletal system, now I am going to talk about bones and its classification. There are 206 bones in an adult human being. Bone is divided in 3 parts: A, head; B, shaft; and C, end of tail. The longest and the stapes present in ear is the bone present in the thigh is the longest, and the bone present in the ear is the smallest. The inner structure of bone consists of tail, compact bone in which there is a hollow shaft. There are blood vessels flowing from the inner yellow bone marrow, and now bone is the hardest connective tissue forming the skeleton. Like other connective tissue, is also made. It's also made up of matrix. Long bones are usually hollow, containing bone marrow in it, and are and are Herbacean canal. The layers of matrix is the form of the layers called lamellae. They are richly supplied by blood. Uh, Cartilages are the elastic, hard, connective tissues. The elasticity is due to the presence of chondrin protein and the some inorganic salts. Cartilages are God damn it, lacunae and chondroblasts in its structure. It is of three types: hyaline cartilage, fibrous cartilage, and yeah, classified cartilage. The structure and the size difference in the bones are classified as long bone, short bone, flat bones, irregular bones, sesamoid bones, and cartilaginous bones. So that's it.
मैंने रीडिंग करने के लिए नहीं बोला है, ध्यान रखिएगा, आपको अपना तैयार करना है, इसकी माइनस करेंगे, ध्यान रखिएगा, कोई भी नहीं करेगा ये गलती। चलिए जल्दी से किए, देवांश के लिए, राठी के लिए, देवांश राठी, ध्यान रखिएगा। नेक्स्ट स्पीकर इज हर्षित जैन। हर्षित जैन, गेट रेडी विद द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ एनाटॉमी।
Yes, sir.
Shit, मेरे को ये करना चाहिए। स्केलेटल सिस्टम क्यों दिया सर? मेरे को नहीं देना चाहिए स्केलेटल सिस्टम, मेरे को ही नहीं देना चाहिए। मैं बस पढ़ा और लिख दिया।
देवांश का माइक ऑन है।
स्केलेटल सिस्टम नहीं देना चाहिए था। शिट। स्केलेटल सिस्टम नहीं देना चाहिए था। शिट। सबसे लीस्ट प्रिपेयर्ड था ये मेरा। पढ़ा ही नहीं। It's just।
चलिए नेक्स्ट हर्षित जैन, रेडी? हर्षित जैन के बाद में मोनित साहू। मोनित साहू इज हियर? अभी ज्वाइन किया था मोनित ने। हाँ, मोनित इज हियर। मोनित,
Yes, sir.
your topic is importance of evaluation in sports. You will be the next speaker after Harshit Jain. Harshit, over to you.
Yes, sir. Om Shri Sai Ram. My name is Harshit Jain, and today I will discuss about importance of anatomy. So we have to know about what is anatomy. So word anatomy is derived from Greek word that is anatom, which means to cut. It is now the definition of anatomy. It is the branch of biology which studies with the human structure. Now we will talk about the importance of anatomy. Anatomy first importance is to gain knowledge. Anatomy is the subject which helps us to understand our body structure and helps to gain knowledge. Then next importance is understanding the body structure. Anatomy is a subject which helps us to know about our body structure, which body structure provides which function to our body. Next function is helps to improve health. Anatomy helps to improve health, because if we study about anatomy, we will know that our body organs need which nutrition. So we will take that nutrition in our diet to improve our health. Next importance is to help prevents health problem. If we study about the anatomy, we will know about our body structures. and we also know about the know about different posture different posture wrong posture causes the our health problem. So if we study anatomy, we will know about how in which position and what posture we have to sit, stand, and lie. Thank you, sir.
All right. Before I say anything, Monish Sahu, listen carefully. Importance of evaluation in sports. Importance of evaluation in sports. This is your topic. I will request to all the students kindly fill the form immediately for Harshit Jain. Okay, Monique, ready? Open your camera and start. Open your camera and start.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So every event is a learning experience. In order to learn for the next event, it is important to evaluate your event to determine what worked, what did not work, and what improvement it could be made. Your evaluation will be essential to
माइक
determine
को थोड़ा अपने
whether
पास
your
रखोगे
event.
बेटा तो ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, आवाज क्लियर आएगी. थोड़ा माइक को पास रखो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, start.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, better. Better.
Yeah, shall we start from
Start from the beginning.
every event is a learning experience. In order to learn for the next event, it is important to evaluate your event to determine what worked, what did not work, and what improvement could be made. Your evaluation will be essential to determine whether your event achieved its objective and met its budget, and whether it should be held again. Uh, it will also be useful for succession planning and to inform your report to your management committee or sponsor. You should seek feedback by way of a survey or a debrief meeting from your key stockholders like volunteers, suppliers, participants, etc. Ask them what went well and what didn't, what they recommended for the next event, and keep a record so that these suggestions can be included in future planning. Like conducting a survey of your participant, volunteer, and sponsor is an excellent way of capturing data that is useful for evaluating your events. Yes. That's it.
इंटरनेट में खोल के बैठा है.
No, sir.
Yeah, I know. You have not talked about physical education, na? All right. See, this is what we are preparing for the exam. मैं आपको बताए दे रहा हूँ, आप लोगों को मुश्किल आने वाली है अगर आप लोग ढंग से पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे. और एग्जाम हर चीज का होगा, कहीं कोई चीज नहीं रुक रही है, हर चीज चल रही है. चलो नेक्स्ट. After Monis Sahu, Nishant has done Raj Oja. Raj Oja का टॉपिक है एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी. Why it is important? Anatomy and physiology. Why it is important for sports? Raj.
Yes, sir.
एक बार फिर बोल रहा हूं टॉपिक एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी. व्हाई इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर स्पोर्ट्स. राइट. उसके बाद में रुमिशा पठान का टॉपिक है क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ बोन्स टाइप. राज ओझा 1 मिनट टू यू.
सर पर ये
रुमिशा,
टॉपिक तो मैंने दिया ही नहीं था.
हाँ
पर ये टॉपिक तो मैंने दिया ही नहीं था.
आपने नहीं दिया था.
नो सर.
तो फिर ये कहां से आया.
सर पता नहीं, मेरे टॉपिक्स तो प्रिवेंशन ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स इंजरी था, एक सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम था.
अरे रुक तो जा अभी ले 1 मिनट. रुमिशा रुमिशा रुमिशा. राज आप अपना प्रिपेयर करो जब तक मैं इसकी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करता हूं. अच्छा, रुमिशा पठान के टॉपिक थे सेफ्टी मेजर टू प्रिवेंटिंग स्पोर्ट्स इंजरीज, मीजोमॉर्फी एंड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम.
यस सर.
है ना. तो क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ बॉडी टाइप्स ही तो बोला है मैंने.
सर आपने क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ बोन्स बोला था.
अरे मैंने बोला क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ बॉडी टाइप्स.
ओके
Okay.
सर. यस सर.
Right. Yes, Raj. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Open your window and start. After Rumisha, I will tell the name later. Yes, Raj. All the best.
Anatomy. It is a branch of biology which deals with which studies the human body structure.
माइक को बेटा माउथ के पास रख लो. माइक को माउथ के पास. Yes.
This science provides us the details of human structure, its shapes, and interrelation of various body parts. Physiology. It is a science which deals with the functioning of various organs or systems, their effects, their relationship with other organs, and their effects. In other words, it is the science of mechanical, physical, and biochemical functions of human organs and the cells of they are composed. Anatomy and physiology are closely interrelated fields and help to understand the structure and functions of various body systems. Thank you.
अरे इतना अच्छा बोला था तूने. इंपॉर्टेंस तो बताया ही नहीं मुझे. Why it is important? हाँ चलो भाई. राज ओझा के लिए करो. तुम लोग लाइटली नहीं ले रहे हो. बहुत सीरियसली नहीं ले रहे हो चीजों को. बहुत लाइटली लेके चलो. Okay. Now the next speaker is Rumisha Pathan, and after Rumisha, Anuj Singhal is going to speak. Anuj Singhal's topic is, Anuj is here?
Yes, sir.
Listen carefully. Principles of stability and balance.
Okay, sir.
So after Rumisha and Rumisha's assessment, you will speak over the principle of stability and balance. Okay,
Yes,
Rumisha.
sir.
Om Shri Saram, my topic is mesomorphy. Mesomorph person are strongly built person. They are having.
Listen carefully. I have talked about classification of body types. All three you
Yes,
have to explain.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Classification. Om Shri Sairam, my topic is classification of body type. There are three types of the human body is classified into three types: endomorph, ectomorph, and medomorph. First of all, I'm talking about mesomorph. Mesomorph person are strongly built person. They have broad muscular chest and shoulders. They have little fat and they are good. They are good in every sport they perform, and they have good. They have average flexibility and endurance, but they have good speed, agility, and uh, good speed, agility, and endurance, and they can easily gain and lose the weight. Second, endomorph. Second, endomorph are the person who are short in height and are having lot of fat. Having a lot of fat and are having short arms, legs, and they are not good sports person. And ectomorph, they are the person who are having small shape and are having very thin, very slender like hands, legs, and have very narrow head, uh, very narrow head, and they are very good, and they are very uh, and they are very good sport person. They are not very good sport person, but they are very good athletes and can run. They have very good endurance and strength, and they can run long races. Thank you.
ओवर। तो जो एक्टोमॉर्फ होते हैं उनकी नैरो होती है नेक।
सर हेड नेक नहीं हेड।
हेड। ओके, ऑल राइट। चलो रुमिशा के लिए भी जल्दी से करो भाई। Okay, so before Anuj starts, Rajoja has already spoken, Rumisha has already spoken, then Sivansh Sharma already spoken, Shravani Patwal already spoken, Suhani Pal already spoken, Divyanshi Sharma already spoken. Over to Anuj Singhal. After Anuj Singhal, the next speaker is Chaitanya Sahu. Chaitanya Sahu is here. Chaitanya Sahu is here. Okay, Chaitanya Sahu is not here. All right. But inform him that I have called the name. After that, Dibya Khaka. Khaka is here? Yes, Dibya is here. Dibya, listen carefully. Type of body categories. Classification of body. Again, as the Rumisha said, you have to present better than the Rumisha. All right? Yes, Anuj. Over to you.
Yes, sir. So my topic is principle of stability and balance. There are 10 principles. So first is center of gravity within the base of support. To remain in balance, the stable position of center of gravity should be within the base of support. Second, the widen the base of support. To increase stability, widen the base of support, wider the base. More stable is the object. Third is lower the CG. For more stable position, the center of gravity should be lowered down. Fourth, expand the base of support. For increasing the stability, expand the base of support. Fifth is increase friction between supporting surface. The greater the friction between the supporting surface and body, the greater is balance. Sixth is increased mass. Higher the mass weight, the more is stability, whereas the less mass weight has less stability. Eighth is push or pull close to base of support. During push or pull, the object should be close to base of support to be more stable. Uh, and eighth is proper catching technique. During catch, unstable position may arise. Thus, proper catching technique should
I
be
can see
known
your
to
retina.
assist. Yes, sir.
You are using the help from the book.
No, sir. Book is very far from me.
I can see your retinas. Retinas are moving left to right. चलो
Yes, sir.
पढ़ाई करो बेटा
Proper
है
catching technique. Yes, sir.
कंप्लीट हो गया
Yes, sir. दो और बचे.
हाँ बोलो
Proper falling technique. Proper falling technique should be known to player, otherwise injuries may arise due to unstable position. And last is rotation about axis. Players should be aware of rotation about axis as it provide easy balance like it. It is easy to balance a moving cycle than stationary cycle. सर यही है 10.
चलिए भाई अनुज के लिए जल्दी से तो मेरे राम मेरे बच्चों का भला करना ओके नेक्स्ट स्पीकर इज चेतन सर ऑलरेडी एब्सेंट दिव्या ओवर टू यू
Yes, sir. There are three types of body category.
और
Endomorphs.
बात करना जोर से बोलना बेटा सुनाई नहीं देगा अदरवाइज हमको
Yes, sir.
यस
There are three types of body category: ectomorphs, endomorphs, and mesomorphs. Ectomorphs are long and lean, little body fat, and
माइक
little
को पास में
muscle.
रखो माइक को पास में रखो बेटा यस
Ectomorphs are long and lean, little body fat, and little muscle. They have a time for gaining weight. They have less strength and not suitable for strong activities. Ectomorphs dominate in endurance and flexibility activities and are good in races. Endomorphs have lots of fat and lots of muscles and gain weight easily. They have less endurance, but they have good level of strength. They can modify through diet and exercise. Mesomorphs are athletic, solid, and strong. They are not overweight and not underweight. They both can weight and lose weight. They are good in almost every sports. Thank you.
तीनों के ऑल थ्री यू हैव स्पोकन
Yes, sir.
ओके चलिए दिव्या के लिए जल्दी से करें All right. Now, how many people have left? All right. Everybody, please open the window. Everybody, please open the window. Everybody. I said everybody. Faiza is here?
Yes, sir.
All right. Faiza, in the next class, you are going to speak. Faiza. Then Kanak Gurjar is completed. Right?
Yes, sir.
Then Khushi Gupta, next class she will speak. Kusag Gupta will speak in the next class. Muskan Bhargav. Have you completed, Muskan?
Yes, sir.
Muskan has completed. Purvi will speak in the next class. Prakhar Maheshwari. Is he here?
Yes, sir.
Sakal दिखा दे जरा. Show me your face.
Yes, sir. Open a window.
अच्छा आपने बोल लिया क्या?
अभी नहीं बोला सर.
Okay, next class. Be ready. Rohit Chokse, next class. Be ready. Sambhav Jain. Sambhav Jain is completed, I think. Yes. Sambhav Jain. Shivam Parikh completed. Okay. Vaishnavi Bhargav. Vaishnavi Bhargav.
Yes, sir.
Completed now?
Yes, sir.
Vaishnavi Gurjar left. Next class. Varsha Bhastri complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people will speak in the next class. And in the next class, I am also going to discuss about the yoga demonstration assessment. Right? How to conduct this I am going to discuss with you people. Right? So whatever you will suggest, I will try to do that way. And I will just try to suggest the easiest form where you will also not have the strain, I will also not have the strain, and we will complete the task. All right? So this is, I will going to explain in the next class. So be prepared. ये जितने लोग हैं अपने तीनों चैप्टर्स, तीनों टॉपिक्स अपने प्रिपेयर करके रखे, जोन में लिखे, और उनमें से कोई एक टॉपिक में उनको दूंगा. दूसरी बात, बहुत सारे लोग पेपर की हेल्प ले रहे हैं. Please don't do that. Try to understand the important points and explain in your own language. I'm not trying to push you out, but at least you develop certain qualities. How to note it down the notes, then how to understand the points, and how you are able to explain in your own words. That is more important than using the paper or book or trying to read out with the papers. It is not good for us, because I am just trying to improve you. My intention is to improve you, not compelling to cheat or to do something else. It's not a so hard and fast kind of exam, but definitely the honesty and ready to learn, ready to develop the quality. That instinct should be shown by you. So remember, the next people will try to follow this spirit. All right. Thank you very much. Hope enjoying the sweets, puri, sabji, rajma, chawal, jo bhi hai, enjoy. Next class we will meet. Bye bye. See you. Sai Ram.
Thank you, sir.
Sai Ram.
Thank you, sir.
Sai Ram, Manoj.